Hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, once again with Tim McDonough from Radiant Pools at one of our latest jobs in Chester, New Hampshire. Tim, welcome.
Hey, good morning, Kent. How you doing?
Tim.
Thank you very much for having me come over.
Anytime. So here we are in one of our new Radiant constructions here. It looks like it's going to be a freeform pool with a sun ledge and a hopper deep end here. Can you just tell me some of these interesting features?
Sure. This is really a beautiful job. You guys have done a great job here. I'm looking at, we'll point out some of the features, but we have a wonderful sun deck here, which makes a great entry into the pool and a great playground for the kids, a great place for people to sit, and easy access into the pool. Also, it is a sun ledge, so you can set up a tanning chair, sitting in the pool, and just relaxing your swimming pool.
So not only do we have an entry system into the pool, but we have a nice place for the entire family to hang out, get tan while just getting a little wet, while not having to get into the actual body of the pool here. And I think you've mentioned it before that this is the living room of the pool.
Yes, and it's beautiful. It's a permanent feature in the pool, and it's a very comfortable. It's very comfortable for everybody, whether it be grandparents, kids, and just parents to relax in the pool.
Yep, and something that is unique to the Radiant brand.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. So, yeah, all of the sun deck features are constructed of the Radiant, the same features that the walls are made out of. So it's the same exact construction through and through.
Excellent. So strong and insulated.
Absolutely, absolutely. And we have a nice deep end right in here. That's let's call that 6 foot deep.
And this is again one of the unique features that Radiant offers us: the ability to give us a 6 foot deep end here and provide dual main drains like you would see in a traditional in-ground pool.
Right, exactly. And as you see, you have the dual main drains that provides a very healthy body of water because you get great circulation in the pool. As we always talk about with the Radiant pool, one of its key features is it's a very versatile pool. So when we look at that, we have features where we're not quite all the way in the ground, so we can backfill directly against the pool, and the pool comes semi out of the ground also. Again, that's a very unique feature for the Radiant pool.
This is a very unique construction here. Most pools aren't going to be allowed to be this versatile with deep ends and tanning ledge features, and especially just the shape and all. Like, this is essentially an above ground pool that's going to come in an in-ground style with the Freeform Lagoon style.
That's right. Yes, and again, with the features that we have here with that sun ledge, that's really a unique feature for an above or a semi above ground pool. So.
And it looks like once this pool is finished constructing, we're going to be able to extend this existing deck over to the pool to create that in-ground look to it from the house side, and then just kind of taper off into the woods here.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, thank you, Tim.
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome, Kent.
It's great to have you. Thanks for checking out our new job.
Thank you. Yeah, it looks wonderful. Thank you.
Even better when it's finished.
Yes, can't wait to see it.